Hi guys, I was gifted this 72-inch ceiling fan from the seller so I could show you all the cool features and how to install it. It's great for patios or garages. I'm gonna go ahead and install it in my garage here because I have one fan, a real old style fan that the wooden blades are droopy. So I'll show you that and we'll show you how to install it. All right, this is the old fan that I'm gonna remove because the blades are all drooping down due to the humidity. All right, this is what you see when you open the package. We have instructions and all the parts here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together per the instructions. All right, first you're gonna install this bracket to your ceiling. I'm gonna go do that. I wanted to show you the blades either had this wood grain finish on one side or a black finish. I like the black finish, so I'm gonna put the black side down. I actually like to assemble ceiling fans down on the ground, and then after I have the hanger up there, then I go put the whole thing up. Just makes it easier for me so I don't have to keep running up and down the ladder, and I feel like it's a little bit simpler on putting the fan together. I'll show you my progress so far. All right, so I got the metal parts hooked on the fan motor, and now I'm starting to put on the blades. I'm gonna put on the wood side up, so then I have the black side down when I install it. I also put on this extender here that did come in the box, and the decorative pieces here. So I'm gonna finish putting the blades on, and then I'm gonna hang it up on the ceiling. Okay, I got all the blades on, and now I'm just gonna go hang it up on the hanger. Okay guys, I got it hung up there. It was pretty easy the way that I did it. There's a safety cable that you can attach. I just have it wrapping around that beam right there. So that's kind of cool. Since it is a large fan, just in case, you know, it were to come loose, you got that safety cable to hold it on the ceiling. It also has a remote control with it. Let's go ahead and turn it on, see what it does. So that's one. Let's go to two. Three. Four. Five. I think it only goes to six. Let's see. Yeah, that's six. And let's see, we go to seven. Nope, six is much as she goes. But it's definitely blowing some air. It's crazy the amount of air this thing's putting out. It also has a button for reverse and a sleep timer. And to turn it off, you just hit the off button. All right, guys, I got it all installed and it's working great. If you guys need a big fan like this, 72-inch, it's got 6 speed modes and a remote. Go ahead and get this one. It's moving a lot of air. Thanks.